Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA 14 Mobile. First, let's get you set up. Familiarize yourself with the intuitive touch controls. A virtual joystick on the left handles player movement, while buttons on the right manage passing, shooting, and tackling. Explore the main menu to find your preferred game mode, whether it's a quick match or building your dream squad in Ultimate Team. Don't forget to tweak the settings for optimal performance and challenge, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience from the very first whistle. Now let's dive into the core gameplay. Passing is crucial. A quick tap on the pass button sends the ball to a nearby teammate, while a longer press allows for through balls. When attacking, swipe or tap the shoot button to unleash powerful shots towards the net, aiming for the corners. On defense, use the tackle button to dispossess opponents and quickly switch between players to cover different areas of the pitch, maintaining a solid defensive line. Ready to elevate your game? FIFA 14 Mobile offers advanced techniques to outsmart your rivals. Experiment with skill moves by swiping on the action buttons. A quick flick can create space or beat a defender one-on-one. Don't hesitate to make tactical substitutions during the game to bring on fresh legs or change your formation. Practice set pieces, like free kicks and corners, to turn them into dangerous scoring chances, aiming for the top corner or a header. To truly excel and enjoy FIFA 14 Mobile, consistent practice is key. The more you play, the better your timing and control will become. Pay attention to your players' attributes. A fast winger or a strong defender can make a significant difference. Don't be afraid to experiment with various formations and tactics to discover what works best for your playstyle. Remember, the goal is to have fun while dominating the pitch, scoring spectacular goals, and celebrating victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.